Yeah, let's do that for certain. I almost called you Dallas.
What's up?
How'd you like your Espanola wedge yesterday?
It was delicious.
Do you know what it is? Yeah.
It is potato.
Spanish potato.
Oh.
Did you pick up any Spanish words after you ate your Espanola?
Yeah, that I can't say.
You're supposed to say feed.
No. That's Spanish.
Rick, how's your stay been? How's your stay been?
Stay's been good.
Noises
Been good. Yeah, it's a little loud right now. No, it's been good.
Yeah?
The weather, though.
Yeah.
We were supposed to ride.
We were supposed to ride. I was going to take you back home Natchez Trace a little bit through through downtown Franklin. Did you guys go over to downtown Franklin?
We did.
Okay,
yeah, we went over there yesterday. Went to downtown Franklin, then we went downtown Nashville.
Yeah.
All day. We're like 6 hours yesterday. And,
so what about the Kenny Chesney concert?
that is tonight.
Oh, that's tonight.
Starts at 5 o'clock.
Okay.
So we're going to head down there. After I get done here, we're going to head down and try to get set up for that. But yeah, Nashville's been great. Just the weather has not cooperated. But yeah. Hey.
You know what I noticed?
What's that?
Dallas put some videos out.
What?
Put some videos out.
It's supposed to be a secret.
Oh, never mind. Scratch that. That never happened.
Yeah, I noticed somebody apparently doesn't sub to my channel.
I do. I can show you right now. Kai, bring me my phone. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Hold on. I gotta prove something. Let me have my phone. Hey!
My wife goes, "You have videos?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm not sure if Ryan ever."
No, it said no videos on there. And then all of a sudden they show up.
It was well, that was in like what is it, the description? Yeah, and that says no videos till 100 subs. And I can't figure out how to get that off of there.
No, there were actually not any videos.
Really?
Yeah. I went to look at it, and there was actually not a single video that I could play. Did you block me? He blocked me. Are you kidding me? Dallas blocked me.
I swear, I'm not smart enough to even know how to do that.
I'm gonna get a Honda Grom sticker and stick it on your bike.
I'm a subscriber. I got a sticker, but
Oh,
I'm
rub
waiting
it
for
in.
a video.
Look, hold on. We'll have to go over there and grab my son as he ran off with my phone. I can promise you. Let's make a $1 million bet. I mean, neither one of us can pay out.
I owe you.
Yeah.
Briefcase full of them. Just gotta keep both wheels down.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, for me, only because when one of them comes up, I usually fall over that way or that way, or when it goes back down, I flip over the front of the bike. I just pulled it up. It says subscribe right there. You can see it. Can you see that?
I see.
Yeah.
You see, there's 7 videos.
Last time I looked at it, there were 0 videos on there. It said nothing. And then when I pulled it up, well, actually I could see 6 videos, but there wasn't a video showing. Sketchy. You said I was changing my story because I technically changed my story, but I just delved deeper into my story.
And I'm on top of the curb because I feel tall.
You look tall on top of the curb.
Wow. Did you grow overnight?
Short jokes. Never heard those. Never heard those.
Those are brand new. Here we go. I'll help you. Is that better?
No.
Oh, I'm not much taller than you, like 9 or 10 inches. That's about it. Well, then there's Rick.
And I'm not very tall.
That's like a rub-in. And I'm not very tall. Not at all. Guys, Rick's like 5'2".
They never get old. Never get old.
I like your shirt. Boom. That's a good one.
All I had to do is buy a motorcycle.
Yeah. Did you get 2? 3. Oh.
3. Oh, 3 motorcycles, 3 shirts?
Yeah. 3 motorcycles, 1 shirt, baby.
And I'm still paying for this one.
Yeah. All right, come here. You play right here, bub. Show you guys has a small scratch on it. Dale, is that one of your bikes?
Which one?
This one.
No.
Is that logo stuff?
Yeah, that's logo. Right there.
How many tires do you think you've changed?
I lost count after the thousands.
Oh, in the thousands.
Easy.
Yeah.
I would say easy. We've had to have been at, I mean, if you really did, probably up north of thousands. So it's a lot.
Yeah.
Hundreds.
Yeah. I want you to jump from here to there.
No. That's too far. I can't even.
No?
I gotta try to jump where?
Just pretend like this is a ditch. Right here. Just don't do that. If you guys did not see the video where we did, was it the scavenger hunt?
Yeah,
scavenger hunt.
scavenger hunt.
Yeah. Nails, there was a ditch, and Nails went to jump across the ditch, and he made it across the ditch, but then he just fell face first flat over. And I just happened to turn on my camera and start filming.
You know what? I know. I thought that's gonna happen to me, and so I jumped anyway, and it happened.
It happens. Yeah. Well, you probably did one of those things where what they call law of attraction.
I did.
Yeah. Yeah. If you said I'm gonna make it gracefully, you probably would have landed in a smooth, graceful move and did like this.
Yes. This is gonna cost me to get this film back, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
That'll be the best picture we get all week.
Yeah.
What'd you think, bro?
Awesome, as normal. Hey, did you pick out a good one? When you go to pick out tires, do you try one with the most tread?
Moonshine takes care of the tires, but they let us pick them out of the scrap pile too. If we can find them in the scrap pile, why not use them? You know, if it's got a plug or something in it.
So D-Lo,
Carnage.
so not only does he entertain you, but he comes out here and cleans up his own mess, and without even being told to. Guys, house parties. Highest man for house parties.
I heard that.
Corporate events.
That's it.
Corporate events are probably better than house parties. They pay better.
My man,
All right,
dude.
D-Lo, awesome show, baby. I
Thanks,
loved
man.
it.
Thank you.
Hey, I have a question for you.
Yeah, of course.
So you switch bikes to the Road Glide.
Yep.
What's the difference?
Oh my God, what's the difference? It's 200 pounds heavier. It's like driving a boat. It's a submarine, man. But I'll tell you what, I'm so excited. The Dyna back from Moonshine. I'm still riding it. I still have the Dyna. It's a 2000 convertible. I'm so stoked to get that bike back. Moonshine's doing a 95 cubic inch S&S short stroke 95 in it. Dark Horse crank. I'm so stoked. I feel like from riding the big bike, when I get back on the Dyna, it's gonna feel like a I feel like it's gonna help me. Yeah.
Yeah, so that was gonna be my next question. So I'm glad you got there before I asked you. But so I will put, as per usual, I'll put all of D-Lo's information down in the description.
Hey,
I don't know if if I did like that, I could drop it right there too, but then I'll have to come back down or maybe across here. But guys, check him out. Go to his Instagram.
Thank you.
And you were telling me you have some big things coming, but you couldn't tell me what it was.
Yeah. Okay, a little teaser. We're starting something new. We're starting something new for you guys, and it's to promote something different, something that I think everybody's going to really latch onto. I don't really want to put it all the way out there that it's me doing it yet, but stay tuned. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be
some good stuff.
Yeah, it's
I might
fun.
know.
You do know.
Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched it before, then get one for
Say bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.